Hi guys, this is Rajesh. Once again, welcome to Infotech. Today we are going to see how to use your phone speakers as computer speakers. You can see lot many people having problem with their PC or laptop speakers. Now there is a solution. That means your phone is going to work as an external speaker. Now let's see how it works. Now open Google Chrome and search Soundwire server. You can see that the latest version is available here. You can see this link in my description. So go and download it. Now I am opening Soundwire server. You can see here that there is a server address, the status is disconnected. So now open your mobile and search for Soundwire in Play Store. I have already downloaded it, so open it. You can see there is a auto location facility. By tapping this button, you can connect to your PC. You can see the status here, connected. Now you can play anything that comes to your phone speakers. Just have a look. Now I am going to play the music.
तू ही ये मुझको बता दे चाहूं मैं आना अपने तू दिल का पता.
Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.